Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You are tuned into the Market Beast edition. Yes, it is your fellow compadre speaking, of course. Looks like Genius Brands' buyers are fighting back. They do not want to stay below this $1.46 level. I made a previous call that the price will likely be stuck in between $1.20 up to $1.46. I'm going to let you guys know if I still see that potentially playing out in this video. So stick around to the end. If you're just joining us, welcome in. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a thumbs up, or leave an appropriate thumb, rather, guys. The YouTube algorithm is on our side. We'd like to keep it that way with your help, guys. We do appreciate every single one of you. So we're going to talk about Genius Brands International. Let's go ahead and not waste time. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's January the 8th, 2021, and the current price of Genius Brands is going to be $1.48. It's up about 3.1% for the day. Okay. All right, guys. So yes, I will explain to you if I see the price potentially being stuck in between $1.20, what is it right about here, up to $1.46. Okay. That has potential, yes, because we're still just above the $1.48 level. Now, things could change, obviously, towards the close. But the good thing about this is we're going to close a weekly candle today, okay, during the market hours. Hopefully, I can put this out before the markets close. And the interesting thing that I'm seeing is, I mean, you guys can see it. It does appear that the inverted dome is finding some sort of support. I do think that I placed the lines pretty good there, guys. If we zoom out here, so many circles and lines, you can see that it appears that the inverted dome has acted as support in the past, and it appears that it wants to act as support here in present day, okay? So this actually looks pretty good. And as of recently here, it looks like it wants to find support on this inverted dome, okay? So yeah, the $1.46 level is, I've been saying that like a broken record, guys. I do think that the next week or two is going to get really interesting in the markets here. I also think that I entertain the fact that if we can get just like a slow grind up through this, just to show the sellers that, look, the buyers are not backing down. We've created this inverted dome, okay, and we're ready to rip to the upside, okay? Let me see. And if it did something like that, the illustration that I did on the screen there, and it just kind of slowly climbs up the support line of this inverted dome, I don't see why it wouldn't just blast through these sell orders that are kind of waiting overhead, and the price eventually makes it up to like $2.60, potentially find some resistance there, and then maybe back test the very important level, the second important level. I can't really say which one is more important, guys. $1.46 is important. I've already explained on the previous video why $1.46 is important. The $2 level, okay, let me explain why that level is important, okay? If you guys are just joining us, I think I explained this before, but the $2 level is important because, I mean, if we back out here, you'll see everything, guys. I don't know if you can actually see these candles. Let's pull up the monthly. Maybe you can see it a little bit better. The reason why it's important for the $2 level is because you see this clustered area of price. Well, this is the initial bounce here in about January 2016. And then there was like a wick here at December 2017. And you see this like clustered area of price action. And then it just kind of broke down. That's the reason. So the most significant level of the previous level of support is going to be $2. That's the reason why I've said $2. And it's not going to change. The 146, we've already explained why that level is important, but the $2 level is the level for to really start to change this trend from being potentially confined, still subjected to a downtrend, into a technical uptrend. It must get above $2, guys. We explained that. That's extremely important. So again, the buyers are protecting it. The buyers are fighting to get above the $1.46 level. They're fighting to break above and stay above this level. Anything can change, guys. This is still got about 21 days to close on this monthly candle. The weekly candle will be the tattletailing sign from the lower time frames to suggest that the buyers are going to protect this level and they're not backing down. So far, it looks good, guys. Let's let this close. And as far as what to expect next week, January the 11th leading into January the 19th, the level to protect there would be the $1.41 level. Let's just say maybe it potentially wicks down to that level. It's probably just going to tick the buyers off, and the thing is just going to explode to the upside through $1.46. That would be a percentage gain of about 13% to the upside, assuming that next week it actually closes above $1.46, and then the sellers make a last attempt, or another attempt rather, right, down to $1.41. That would typically, that would probably be an interesting buy-in opportunity to me as far as what I'm seeing on the charts here. But it's setting up as if the buyers are going to try and protect this inverted dome. It looks really interesting, guys, how the price action is starting to develop here. But again, we still have 4 hours to close. This could change. It could close below $1.46. But even if it closes below $1.46, the level that, remember, I'm trying to like kind of understand like the short term. I'm really not good at this, guys, so please just bear with me here if I get this wrong. I'm trying to understand like the ebbs and flows from like a weekly or even like a 3-day time window. And I know some of you long-term investors are like, dude, shut up. We're investing long-term. We don't need to hear this. That's fine, guys. I'm just doing this for those of you who are looking to kind of swing the markets, okay? Because that's what I'm doing, okay? Potentially long-term investing, it must show me signs, okay? So for next week, we're going to be looking at $1.41 to potentially have that as the last resort for the sellers to attempt to push the price down. If we can get a nice weekly close above the $1.46 level, that would be a very beautiful sign for the buyers in the market to potentially hold support on, again, in this inverted dome. Hopefully we'll keep you guys up to date to see how everything is shaping out. So that's what we should expect to see, guys, over the next week or two. $1.46 level to close above within 4 hours. $1.41 as the line in the sand to make sure that the sellers are pretty much exhausted out of the market, and the buyers can just kind of continue their beautiful journey here to start a wonderful uptrend to the upside. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below and let me know, like, dude, you're silly, man. This thing is going to $40. Get out of here. Let me know those comments down in the comment section, guys. But it looks like the buyers are going to try to attempt to protect this $1.46 level, guys. We're going to cut out here. Thank you for your time, guys. Before you go, we also cover the alternative markets. If you guys are into Bitcoin and altcoins, we cover that 7 days a week. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and join us on this journey as we do the best that we can to maneuver through these financial markets, guys. We are not perfect. We're going to get this stuff wrong. Please expect unprofessionalism and inaccuracies on the channel. Correct us down in the comment section if we said anything wrong. Yes, good. I think we covered everything. Out we go, guys. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.